Hi everyone, I am going to be showing you the new gadget I got with my new device. It's a power button. Now I know that sounds a bit like, oh my god, she's excited over a power button, but this means I can now turn my device on, not having to worry that I'm gonna knock the device over while I'm trying to find the button. It means also that I can be fully independent with turning it on and off without having to say to mum, or will you turn this on for me, as I can't find or reach the button. So it gives me another something I can do myself where I don't have to ask for help. If you're having a problem with the power button that you've been given, or if you are just receiving a power button, here is how you may have to sort it. As you can see, you can also plug switches into the remote.